So yung mga materials na ginamit natin dito is mixture of wood and metal. Yung mga iba dito is mga recyclable materials from the previous floats. And then may kasamang mga recyclable materials like yung mga papel na ginagamit namin na pang form doon sa mga shapes ng mga flowers, ganun. So mostly mga recyclable materials yung ginamit natin dito.
Na-launch yung panagbenga natin with the theme of Blossoms Beyond Boundaries, di ba? So doon na lang kami nag-take off. Our blossoms or reach, no, as a city is beyond the city. A design that is actually a tribute to the contributions of our sister cities. And we are focusing on which are from 4 countries. So identified as countries na lang, no? So we have 3 sister cities in Korea. We have 3 sister cities in the USA, very active as well. We have 1 active sister city in Japan, and we also have 1 sister city in China. So these 4 countries will be represented in the design of the float. And of course, symbols from these 4 countries will be prominent, but more importantly, the flower, the national flowers, of these countries will also be part of the design. So yun yung naging inspiration niya, and in front of the float itself, it's going to be spelled out prominently yung ating theme, Blossoms Beyond Boundaries. Of course, these are Asian flowers, no, na will also be in magnified sizes, yung kanilang state flowers, and some symbolism. So meron pa rin Chinese elements there. Like yung Canadian, in Canada kasi we have Vaughan City. Hindi ko na-mention yung Canada. So so that means 5. Oo. So Vaughan City in Canada, yan. So may maple din to represent Canada.
After ng float parade, yung mga nagamit na materials sa-salvage ulit, and then it will be kept sa mga bodega para magamit sa next na float next year, mga ganun.